runs red through the wires of the animatronics. The machines you shove those little kids into. You hide behind that mask because you know you're guilty, and you know I can't hurt you. But when you're wearing that mask, you're vulnerable. The music box will need to be restarted soon, and you can't do that behind the mask. Make your choice. Take off and have Foxy rip you to shreds. Or hide your face, only to live a little bit longer just to let the marionette make it your new face. I suggest the first option, by the way.